So, good morning, beautiful Atomians! Sino po dito yung mga first-time attendees? Halata po yung mga naka-peel of mask. So, sure po yan, after po din yung matanggal yung peel of mask, makikita nyo na po yung result. Diba? So, ayun po, welcome po to our Atomy Success System. So, now we will learn about the beauty care. So, before we start, let me quickly introduce myself. I am Sharon Rose Master, Darbal Karain Bergado Valle from Ariul 1 Mandaluyong, Aja San. So, especially po to all our first-time attendees, this is our website looks like. So, pwede na po nating i-visit po yung ating Atomy account sa mga first-time po, mga new members. Meron po tayong tinatawag na we own our global shopping mall. So, dito po sa ating website, makikita po natin dito yung mga category po ng lahat ng products na available po sa ating website dito po sa Philippines. So, not only here in Philippines po, pwede po nating gawin ng ating Atomy business sa 27 countries. So, proud po ba tayong maging part ng Atomy Global Company? Yes, sobrang proud Atomians po talaga tayo. So sa mga first-timers po, na mga hindi pa nakapag-open ng kanilang sariling account, please feel free po to ask the person who invited you here or your sponsor na turuan po kayo paano po gamitin ang ating website. And then, don't worry po, madali lang po itong gamitin. So, madali lang pong gamitin yung ating website. Very user-friendly po and easy to navigate even for the beginners. So, makikita nyo po dyan, meron po tayong, wala po yung... So, dito po, yung mga category po ng ating mga products na available sa ating website. And next, let me briefly explain the concept behind Atomy products. So, bago po ang lahat, bago ko po nakilala si Atomy, syempre po, yung first product po na na-try ko is Atomy Evening Care Set. Pag-try ko po ng Atomy Evening Care Set that time, yung first impression ko po, or yung first na feedback ko po, na-amaze po ako as a facialist. Kasi alam ko po yung quality ng product na ginagamit ko sa clinic nung pinagtatrabahuan ko before and nung na-try ko po yung product. And guess what po? Akala ko sobrang mahal ng trinay kong Korean products. And hindi ko akalain na yung product na yun ay sobrang affordable. Kasi that time po, yung evening care set is nasa 1,200. So, di ba, yung apat na yun, nag-worth lang ng 300 pesos each. And very pure po. Each product po is espresso. Naalala niyo po ba? Alam niyo po yung espresso na pwedeng magkaroon ng maraming Americano kung coffee pa siya. Di ba? Kung foam cleanser, how many months po nating magagamit? So, palakpakan po natin dahil ang ating Atomy have this concept behind it called Mastich. Ang ibig sabihin po nito, Mas refers to us everyday consumers. Tayo yung mga consumers, nagtutoothbrush, naliligo, gumagamit ng shampoo, nagtitake ng food supplement, nag-skincare araw-araw, di ba po? And the Prestige means naman po, ang ibig sabihin po nito is refer to the high quality products that usually found in luxury brand. And good news po, because here in Atomy, we have a luxury brand products. So palakpakan po natin ito. And then, luxury na, but very affordable pa. Kaya si Atomy po, meron po siyang tinatawag na absolute quality and absolute price. So before we dive into learning about beauty products. I want everyone to pause for a moment. Pwede po ba yun? Yung mag-take a moment muna tayo. Turn to your seatmate po. Sige po, or the person behind you. Kung wala po kayong ka-seatmate. Sige po, tingnan nyo po yung inyong mga seatmate. And look at them and say, you are beautiful pag babae, and you are handsome pag lalaki. Sige po. Lakasan nyo pa po. Say it with a smile. And mean it. Hindi po dapat joke ha. Dapat totohanin nyo po. Kasi lahat po ng Atomians is beautiful and handsome. And now, what did you feel? Ano po yung naramdaman nyo? Did you feel happy? Did you smile? Baka naman sinabihan kang, you're beautiful, tapos sad face ka. Di ba? Hindi naman dapat. Did you feel a little more confident? Yes po ba? Because, you see, with this simple act of affirmation to someone, it will make a ripple effect to our lives. Pagkagaya din po siya ng, when we take care of our skin, we also feel better about ourselves. Tama po? That's why, at the end of the day po, we can achieve a healthy skin and a healthy, ano po ito? Lifestyle. When we care for our skin, we are also choosing to care for our overall well-being. So, pag intentionally and mindfully po tayo, we choose to take care of our skin. Overall po, our holistic approach po, we're also taking care our lifestyle or our life. Diba po? So si Atomy po, lahat po ay meron tayo. Mapa-beauty man yan, mapa-health man yan, mapa-home man yan. That's overall, or holistic approach for us to achieve a healthy lifestyle. So, and today, I'm excited to share with you the products that can help us achieve the healthy skin and healthy lifestyle through the Atomy Beauty Care products. So, these are the products, our Atomy The Fame Set and our Atomy Sunscreen. So now, let's talk about skincare as our daily habit. Sino po yung may skincare regimen dito? So meron po tayong tinatawag na morning routine and night routine. So pag morning routine po, ito po yung nag-i-skincare po tayo to prepare our skin, to protect our skin from sun exposure or damage. Pag night routine naman po, yan po yung time para makapag-repair or maka-recover po yung ating skin. Kaya wag po tayong tamarin. Bago matulog, dapat po meron po tayong night routine. Kasi this simple habit po or daily routine, it has a powerful effect in our lives. Kasi po, kapag consistent po tayong gumagamit ng Atomy products, these small daily habits creates a long-term results. Alam niyo po ba yon? Na kapag po everyday po tayong nag-i-skincare, magkakaroon po yan ng long-term result po sa ating skin. Ma-achieve po natin yung healthy, younger looking skin or yung mga gusto niyo po na Korean glass skin. Tama po ba? So, ayun po. Now that we understand how important and consistent morning and night routine is, I'm excited to share with you our Atomy Skincare System, The Fame. So, meron po siyang concept. Napakasimple lang po but powerful. Pwede niyo po ba basahin po? Unfading beauty, unfading reputation. Ano po ibig sabihin ng unfading beauty? Di ba? Hindi kumukupas ang kagandahan natin or ating beauty. So, means maintaining healthy radiant skin even as time passes. Diba? Not instant beauty. Hindi po siya instant beauty ha. Not temporary glow, but long-term skin health. And the other one is unfading reputation naman. Nagre-represent po siya sa quality and credibility ng ating products. Ibig sabihin, tested po siya and developed po ng advanced Korean skincare technology. So yun po yung pag-aaralan po natin. Ano po yung advanced technology na ginamit dito sa ating Atomy Skincare The Fame set. So ito po yung ating Atomy The Fame is designed to go beyond 10 years po. 10 years of fame. Ibig sabihin po nito, yung mga, sino po yung nakapag-try before ng ating Atomy Skincare 6 system, yung may kasama pang BB cream sa box. O, diba? Medyo madami din pong nakapag-try. Nagustuhan niyo po ba? And now, mas magugustuhan niyo po ang upgraded products, additional technology na ginamit po sa Atomy. Ito po yung ating The Fame set. So, hindi po ito yung tinatawag na pang-trend lang or hype lang, pero pang long-term result po yung paggamit natin ng The Fame. Ibig sabihin yung lasting beauty. Kasi itong skincare system na The Fame is created not just for today, but to endure for ilang years po? 100 years, o diba? Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating The Fame set. And now let's talk about what makes the Atomy even more special. Ito po yung dapat nating malaman kung bakit napaka-special po ng ating Atomy The Fame. Alam niyo po ba na ang ating Atomy The Fame is backed up by advanced technology and it has an additional upgraded. Ano po yung nandito, yung additional upgraded? Diba po, meron po siyang 4 technologies na galing po doon, ginamit din po dati sa ating skincare 6 system. And ngayon po, in-upgrade po siya sa The Fame natin plus new technology, new materials, and it has a low irritancy. So, napakaganda po ng ating The Fame. Ito po yung talaga yung pinaka nagustuhan ko sa lahat. So, next, pag-uusapan naman natin, lalo na po sa mga baguhan, yung 4 technologies po na ginamit sa ating Atomy Skincare 6 before na meron pa rin hanggang ngayon sa ating Atomy The Fame. So, ito po yung high purification technology. Ano po ang ibig sabihin nito? Kung makikita niyo po dito sa picture, ang Atomy High Purification Technology po, ito po yung advanced technique na ginamit ni Atomy. Ito po yung nag-aalis ng oxidants at nagko-condense ng mga effective ingredients po from the herbal green tea leaves. So, ibig sabihin po nito, tinatanggal niya po yung mga free radicals po sa mga herbs po na ginamit na ingredients sa ating Atomy The Fame. And next po, second, the fresh herb extraction biotechnology. Ito naman po yung proseso ng pagkuha ng effective ingredients mula sa fresh. Kung makikita niyo po ito. Ito po siya. Yung commonly po used ng other skincare, ganito po ang nangyayari after extraction. So dark pa po, but in our Atomy The Fame, they use this biotechnology para maging ganito po yung extracted na fresh herbs. So, napakaganda po ng ating Atomy The Fame. In simple words po, ginamit po itong advanced technology kasi ito po yung nag-e-extract ng natural ingredients ng herbs para mas effective po sa ating skin. So, naintindihan niyo po ba in a simple explanation po? So, next po, number 3 is fermentation technology. Ito naman po yung advanced technique or technology na ginamit ng Atomy at gumagamit ng microbial enzymes para i-dissolve po ang effective ingredients into fine particles. Kaya mas madaling ma-absorb po ng ating skin. Andito po yun, kung babasahin niyo po, may Lentus rice extract hanggang sa Pelinus Lentus Pecilomyces japonica extract. So, di ba napakahirap pong basahin? Pero overall po, this fermentation technology helps the ingredients work faster and better in our skin. Para po mas makuha po natin yung better results. Kasi po, meron pong ginamit na fermentation technology. And lastly, number 4, the multiple capsulation delivery technology. Ito naman po, again, isang advanced technique na ginamit ni Atomy. Ito po yung pinoproseso niya po at ini-encapsulate ang effective ingredients at ginagawang ultra-fine particles na similar po sa phospholipids. Para po malaman po natin na ang atin pong ang ginamit po dito para ma-achieve po talaga yung better penetration po is the multiple capsulation delivery technology. So, ito na po yung additional added material. Yung tatlong added material po kung bakit mas maganda po yung ating The Fame set ngayon. Meron po siyang panthenol, meron po siyang 5 types of hyaluronic acid, and meron po siyang ceramides. Dapat po, maintindihan po natin ito. This is very simple po to share to our new members or to our prospect consumers na nangangailangan para magkaroon po ng healthy skin. So balik po tayo sa number 1 po na added material. Ito po ay tinatawag na panthenol. So yung panthenol po natin is like a sports drink for our skin. So, gaya po ng mga nasa sports, di ba, kailangan po ng hydration. Tama po? Ito po yung naglalak ng moisture to keep our skin hydrated. Ito din po yung nagre-rejuvenate ng ating pagod na skin cells, tired skin cells. And ito po yung gumagawa sa ating skin para still feel fresh din po, soft and energized. So, napakahalaga po ng panthenol. Ito din po yung ingredients. Alam nyo ba yung panthenol? Pag nagbasa po kayo sa mga baby products, meron pong panthenol po nakalagay doon. So, dito po sa ating Atomy The Fame, kasama po yung panthenol. Ibig sabihin po, very safe and gentle po sa ating skin. And also, very effective din po sa ating skin. So, second is 5 types of hyaluronic acid. So, ano po yung ibig sabihin nito? Sa other stores or other skincare po, meron lang po silang isa or up to 3 times hyaluronic. But good news po, in our Atomy The Fame, it has 5 types of hyaluronic acid. So, palakpakan po natin ito. So, ito po yung, pag tinawag po nating hyaluronic, literally, it boasts and support our skin. So, ito po yung tinatawag na anti-aging. Okay po? Hyaluronic acid is for anti-aging. So, it really hydrates deeply, pumps our skin, and reduces fine lines. Kaya po siya anti-aging kasi nire-reduce niya po yung fine lines and wrinkles po natin. And last added materials is ceramide. Itong key ingredients naman na ito is nag-strengthen po siya ng barrier ng ating skin. Alam niyo po ba yung ceramide? Alam niyo po ba na meron tayong natural ceramide in our skin? Ito po yung natural lipids or fats sa ating skin. And did you know that as we age, habang tumatanda po tayo, our ceramides in our skin is naturally decreased po. Kapag naturally decreased siya, kaya pag tumatanda po ang tao, gagamit po ako ng absent. pag tumatanda po, isipin po natin to, bumababa po talaga yung, nagde-decrease po yung ceramide. Kaya po nagkakaroon ng fine lines, kaya po nagda-dry yung skin natin, kaya po nagkakaroon ng wrinkles, ng iba't ibang problems sa skin, kasi bumababa na yung ceramide natin sa skin natin. That's why we need to replenish it by using Atomy The Fame set. And this is the newly added technology. Di ba po, pinag-aralan po natin yung apat? And ito po yung newly added technology. It called Powerful Oil Moisture System. It has an active oil, 3-type microcapsulation. So, di ba, napaka-amazing po. Hindi lang po apat na technology. Kasama na po ito. In total po, ito po yung moisture explosion po ng ating skin. Right on your face, pag ginamit niyo po yung Atomy The Fame set. Palakpakan naman po natin yan. And the Fame set also meets strict. Pag sinabing strict, hindi po siya basta-basta. Basahin niyo po ito. So, explain ko lang po, it meets strict European standards. Pag standards, high standards talaga siya. It obtained an excellent grade certified by Dermatest. Ano po yung Dermatest na yon? A technology research center in, saan po? Saan po? Germany. So, hindi po siya basta-basta, di ba? Atomy is also recognized for no irritation test. Di ba? Hindi po siya nakakahiyang i-share po sa ating mga kakilala. Meaning, our Atomy The Fame is very safe and gentle for daily use. So, palakpakan naman po natin ulit. And here are the products, our products in our Atomy The Fame. So, ito po yung 5-step po para po sa mga mag-o-order na ng ating Atomy The Fame. And sa mga gumagamit po, ito po yung guide po. Number 1 po, first is our toner. Second is our eye cream. Third is our essence. 4 is our Atomy The Fame lotion. And last is our nutrition cream. So, ito po yung 5-step of the Fame set. So, pag-usapan naman po natin each product of the Fame. So, yung toner po ng the Fame, it provides instant. Pag sinabing instant, paglagay nyo po sa skin ninyo, makikita nyo na po yung instant skin moisturizing. Pag sobrang feel nyo po na sobrang dry po or dull po yung skin natin, bumili na po agad tayo ng the Fame pag wala po tayong the Fame toner. Okay po ba? So it makes our skin hydrated and refreshed immediately, right away, pagka lagay po natin. Kasi po, bakit po kailangan ng toner bago po natin i-apply yung iba pang mga Atomy skincare? Sino po yung nakakaalam, may hemuhim po sa akin? So ngayon po is i-share ko po sa inyo. Kasi after po natin mag-cleanse ng skin, di ba po, yung feel po natin very dry, pero yung atin pong the foam cleanser, hindi po natin mafe-feel na sobrang dry. Pero pag ginamit po natin yung other product, feel ko po talaga na sobrang dry po ng skin ko. But, our skin kasi hindi po siya balance. So, kailangan maglagay po tayo ng toner every after hilamos para mag-balance po yung pH level ng ating skin. Alam niyo na po. At para po ma-restore po yung skin natural pH balance and para ma-prepare po yung ating skin for better absorption ng next product po na ilalagay po natin. Ngayon, alam nyo na po ba? Baka po may nag-Atomy peel of mask po dito pero hindi po nagtutoner. Masakit po yun sa skin natin. Kasi dry po yung skin natin or unbalanced po yung skin natin after wash, and then hindi tayo nag-toner. So, pag naglagay tayo ng mask, ang feel aray, parang may something na masakit siya pag tinanggal. Na-feel nyo po ba yon? So, hindi nyo na-feel kasi nagto-toner kayo. So, very good po. So, next po is our The Fame Eye Cream. Alam nyo po ba na itong ating Atomy The Fame eye complex po is very concentrated. Kasi po, sa ibang brand po, sobrang mahal po ng mga eye cream. Tama po ba? But here in Atomy, meron po tayong, very generous po si Atomy kasi 40 ml na po siya. And then very concentrated. And then hindi lang po ito ginagamit sa eye area. Kung gusto nyo pong ma-firm po or ma-elastic yung ating skin po sa ating neck area, no need po na bumili po tayo ng cream for neck area. Pwede na din po natin siyang ipahid sa ating neck. Kasi po, our Atomy The Fame Eye Cream helps improve skin elasticity in this part. So, yung mga delicate area like eye area, very safe po yung ating Atomy Eye Complex. Next po, yung ating Atomy The Fame Essence. Ito po yung sisilbing serum po natin sa ating The Fame. So, it provides concentrated, nourishing care deep into the skin. Ang ginamit po dito ay tinatawag na MF method for better absorption and effectiveness. Ibig sabihin po, yung M po is moisturizing, yung F po is fatty layer method. Ibig sabihin po, yung ating Atomy The Fame po, mas nape-penetrate po yung ating product. Kasi po, ginamitan po siya ng MF method. Kasi po, ito po talaga yung tumutulong para mas ma-penetrate po yung ating skincare na ginagamit. So next po, ating Atomy The Fame Lotion provides oil-water balance for your skin and it embraces and nourishes the skin to achieve natural balance. Ito din po yung magbibigay sa atin ng soft and hydrated and healthy looking skin. And lastly, our The Fame Nutrition Cream. From the word nutrition, it nourishes our skin. It firms and prevents moisture loss. So sa mga gusto po talagang ma-firm po and then mas lalo pang bumata, ibabad nyo po yung, masarap pong ibabad yung nutrition cream. Mabe-feel nyo po na parang baby face ka po after po ng pagbabad nyo or ngari, salitan po kayong nagmamas, ito po yung gawin nyo pong mask bago po matulog. Okay po ba? Isama nyo na rin po yung neck ninyo para baby face kayo, baby face din po yung neck po natin. Okay po? So, baka naman po, sobrang baby face na natin, tapos yung neck natin, nakulubot na, o diba? Gentle reminder lang po sa ating lahat. So next, let's proceed why sunscreen is important. Bakit po napaka-importante po ang paggamit ng sunscreen? Because sunscreen is important because it protects your skin from harmful UV rays which can cause sunburn. Sino na po yung nag-sunburn dito kasi hindi po nag-sunscreen after po maligo sa dagat? And it causes also a long-term skin damage. So, delikado po ang hindi po magpro-protect, ang hindi paggamit ng sunscreen. Pwede pong magkaroon po tayo ng iba't ibang or cancer, skin cancer, or pwede din po skin damage, like pagkakaroon po ng pigmentation, yung mga ano po natin, problem ng skin like wrinkles, fine lines, and sag na skin. Dahil po, hindi po natin pinetextunan ang ating skin. So we need to use sunscreen every day. But now that we know why sunscreen is so important, so excited na din po akong i-introduce sa inyo. Ano po ito? Ang ating Atomy Sunscreen. So it has an SPF 50+, PA++++. So hindi lang po siya 1+. Take note of this. Diba po? Ano po ibig sabihin nitong SPF? Ito po yung sun protection factor. Ito po yung higher the SF, lagi po nating titingnan po, but don't worry, we already have our sunscreen 50, SPF 50+ and PA+++. Kasi sabi nga dito, the more plus, the more protection from UV rays. Okay po? And what makes our Atomy sunscreen different? Number one, It has a high SPF 50 plus, PA+++. Napaka-strong po yung protection against UVA and UVB rays. So dapat po nating gamitin everyday ang ating sunscreen. It is also gentle and safe, certified no irritation test, perfect even for sensitive skin. It has also a moisturizing formula that hydrates our skin while protecting. Di ba po, hindi po lahat ng sunscreen is may moisturizing effect or hydration effect. Sa ating sunscreen po is dual po siya, protection and hydration. And it's also a lightweight and non-greasy. Nung hindi nyo pa po na-met si Atomy at gumagamit kayo ng other brand, ano po yung na-feel nyo sa other brand sunscreen? Di ba malagkit po? Kasi po na-feel ko po yun. Ayoko na pong gumamit ng sunscreen. Sobrang, nakakairita. Kasi malagkit po yung feel. But our sunscreen po, very lightweight po siya and non-greasy. Palakpakan naman po natin. So thank you. And available po siya sa 2 colors. We have white and beige. And it gives natural, flawless coverage. So, as we end po, before we end, make a decision. Basahin po natin to. Decide to invest in your skin. Decide to upgrade your routine. Decide to live the Atomy way. And because, as we all know, healthy skin, healthy lifestyle, and it starts with you. So that's all for today. Again, I am Sharon Rose Master, Darbel Karen Bergado from Ariol 1 Mandaluyong Aja Aja Center. Thank you so much.